Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. One of the most critical components for billing with medical insurance is using current procedural terminology, also known as CPT codes. These are standardized codes used by all healthcare professionals to describe medical, surgical, and psychological services. To bill a procedure or service accurately, you must provide the appropriate CPT code. Regarding psychological testing and evaluation, CPT codes stand as a guide when selecting the most appropriate code for specific services. CPT codes are primarily used to ensure accuracy when billing medical insurance providers for mental health services. They provide a standardized language that all healthcare providers and insurers can understand, making the billing and reimbursement process smoother. The most commonly used CPT codes for psychological screening are 96127. This code is for brief emotional or behavioral assessments that take less than 30 minutes. To use this code, you must provide the patient with an assessment instrument that includes at least one of the following criteria: a structured interview, self-report questionnaires, or performance-based measures. 96136. Providers use this code when administering 2 or more psychological or neuropsychological tests of not more than 30 minutes. The code requires explicitly that the practitioners use at least 2 tests using any method. Each additional 30 minutes would be billed using the CPT code 96137 and 96136. CPT code 96138. You can use this code when a technician administers 2 or more psychological or neuropsychological tests or scoring that takes 30 minutes or less. Just like code 96136, this requires that at least 2 tests are administered for any method. Each additional minute administered, you can use code 96139. 96146. When a computer administers a single psychological or neuropsychological test, providers use CPT code 96146 for billing. Psychological test evaluations also require CPT codes for billing. Test evaluations include interpreting the results of psychological tests and providing a written report about the findings. 96130. This code evaluates results of psychological tests and provides a written report about the findings. It requires at least 30 minutes of evaluation by a qualified professional and should take at most 60 minutes. Along with this code of psychological evaluation, you can use CPT code 96131 if additional time is needed. To learn more about CPT coding for psychological assessments, click on the link in the description. If you would like to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.